Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best grip trainer is probably one of the most underrated pieces of fitness equipment out there. Whether you're a rock climber, weightlifter, or just someone looking to improve their hand strength, this tool can make a real difference. Today, we're diving deep into a fantastic grip strength trainer, exploring its features, benefits, and how it can help you achieve your fitness goals. Get ready to squeeze your way to a stronger grip. Number 5. FitBeast Hand Grip Strengthener Kit, 5-pack. These hand grips are ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in your palms. This reduces strain and fatigue during workouts. Strengthening your grip can also help reduce the risk of injuries. Designed for optimal comfort and performance, it features a textured handle for a secure grip. The compact design makes it easy to carry anywhere, perfect for home, office, travel, or the gym. It's crafted from high-quality, non-slip rubber for durability and a secure hold. Easily customize the resistance level from beginner to advanced. This allows you to progress at your own pace. It's also ideal for those recovering from hand or wrist injuries, aiding in rehabilitation and enhancing dexterity. It's suitable for various activities, including strength training, rehabilitation, and sports. Weightlifters, rock climbers, musicians, office workers, and seniors can all benefit from using this. Grip strength is crucial for performance in many activities. FitBeast is committed to providing better products and services. If you have any questions about the product, you can access our 24/7 after-sale customer service. We will offer you any help you need. What we like. This grip strengthener features an ergonomic design, ensuring comfort during your workouts. It's also portable, allowing you to strengthen your grip anywhere. If you are looking for a versatile and convenient hand grip, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Adjustable grip strength trainer. Great for building forearm strength. Works well for rehabilitation and physical therapy. Number 4. NIYIKOW Hand Grip Strengthener. Are you looking to improve your grip strength? This hand grip strengthener is perfect for strengthening your hands, forearms, wrists, and fingers. It's easy to use and helps you build strength and stamina. This grip strengthener features adjustable resistance, allowing you to customize your workout from 22 to 132 pounds. You can use it at home or in the office with just a few minutes of exercise each day. It's ideal for athletes and musicians. Made with heavy-duty plastic and reinforced metal alloy, this grip trainer is built to last. Unlike some competitors, this one is durable and safe, ensuring a great user experience without damaging your hands or fingers. Designed with portability in mind, you can take this hand exerciser anywhere. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, you can start your grip training anytime, anywhere. It's lightweight and easy to carry. We are committed to providing excellent customer service. If you have any questions, our USA-based support team is ready to help. Click the Add to Cart button now and try it risk-free. What we like. This grip trainer helps you improve your grip strength and build strength efficiently. It is also made of high-quality and durable materials. If you're an athlete or musician looking to enhance your hand strength, this is a great option. What people say. Excellent tool for improving grip and finger strength, works the wrists and forearms as well. Multiple grip pressure settings to use as you improve. Seems well made. This works well so far, it fits comfortably and I like that it is adjustable so it can be adapted as grip gets stronger. I could increase the tension as my strength improved. Number 3. KDG Hand Grip Strengthener 2-pack. This hand strengthener has a smart counting function. It records your exercise reps, helping you track progress. You can easily see your training results. The resistance is easily adjustable from 10 to 130 pounds. This makes it suitable for everyone, from athletes to those recovering from injuries. It's perfect for your needs. It's perfect for improving forearm, wrist, and finger strength and flexibility. It's also excellent for recovering from hand injuries, arthritis, and carpal tunnel. This helps you get back on track. With 2 in a pack, you can train both hands simultaneously. The high-quality, soft materials make your exercise comfortable and safe. This design enhances your workout. If you have any questions about the product, we're here to help. We provide solutions to ensure your satisfaction. We are committed to your happiness. What we like. This hand grip strengthener comes with a smart counting function to track your progress. It's also easy to adjust the resistance to fit your needs. If you are recovering from an injury or want to monitor your training, this product is ideal for you. What people say. Adjustable grip strength trainer, perfect for varying resistance levels. The grip strength trainer is well built and durable. The design of the grip strength trainer is ergonomic and comfortable to use. Number 2. GD Iron Grip Adjustable Hand Gripper. The GD Iron Grip has been upgraded. It now offers 12 adjustable levels, allowing you to fine-tune the resistance from 26 to 181 pounds. This makes it perfect for everyone, from beginners to arm wrestling champions. Made with aluminum handles, strong springs, and 4T iron, this product is built to last. It's a durable and safe hand strengthener that you can rely on. This is the only grip strength trainer you will ever need. This single gripper combines 12 different grip strengtheners. Easily adjust the lever to change the resistance to match your strength level and training goals. You only need one of these, instead of buying many different ones. Not all hands are the same, so it adapts to fit yours. With the 3-level handle width adjustment, it ensures an ergonomic fit for all hand sizes. Now you can train efficiently without straining your fingers. No more annoying squeaks. This product provides whisper-quiet operation, making it perfect for home, office, or travel. You can train discreetly and stay consistent with your grip strength training anytime, anywhere. This hand grip strengthener is designed and manufactured in Korea. It's a US patented product, so you can train with confidence knowing you have a genuine, adjustable hand grip strengthener. What we like. This hand gripper offers an upgraded resistance range with 12 levels of adjustment. It is built with incredible quality and provides silent operation. If you want a durable and adjustable grip strengthener for training anywhere, you should consider this. What people say. With the adjustable settings, I will using it for many years to come. Very smooth, very sturdy, and very effective. Easy to use and to adjust between resistances. Number 1. Vikingstrength Wrist Roller, Forearm Strengthener. Looking for the best forearm workout? This is the top-rated device on the market. It's known for its quality and effectiveness in the USA. This wrist roller features a unique thicker grip design. It helps to target your forearm muscles more effectively than standard rollers, leading to a more intensive workout. Easily adjust the intensity of your workout. The chain system fits any weight plate, making it suitable for all fitness levels. This keeps your training challenging and productive. Invest in a product that represents innovation and high standards. Protected by a design patent, it ensures you're getting a unique and original training tool. It's perfect for various athletes, from bodybuilders to CrossFit enthusiasts. It enhances wrist and forearm strength, as well as overall arm and grip endurance, which is essential for many sports. What we like. This forearm strengthener is top-rated for its performance and features a unique thicker grip design. It also offers customizable resistance with a chain system. If you like a versatile tool for strength and endurance, this is the one for you. What people say. Adjustable grip strength trainer. Great for building forearm strength. Works well for rehabilitation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.